So yeah, today's just a fun Saturday or chilled Saturday with the birds. I am gonna do PMV1 vaccinations today. I'll show you where I vaccinate because I know a lot of people vaccinate them in the neck. Growing up, my dad never did it there, so I'll show you a short little clip where we vaccinate them. It's also safer, I believe. I mean, you don't want to make a mistake with a needle in a bird's neck. But yeah, no, so I hope you enjoy from vaccinating to, well, a short clip of flying and the bird's bath. Just a normal pigeon day. So yeah, please enjoy. So like I mentioned in my intro video, I don't vaccinate in the neck. So all I do is I open the bird's leg up. When I open it up until I can see that little skin there, and just inject right under the skin. So lekker, the birds are coming down now, ready for their bath, weekly bath. Sorry about the scratching, I've got someone cleaning the lofts, if you can even hear me. Good bath time after a long flight like that. It's pretty much just like a chill day, just pigeoning, like I like to say, as I showed you birds bathing too nicely. And yeah, just my normal Saturday. Oh, what's that for? I'll show you soon. But yeah, no, thank you so much for watching the video. I know it's a short one, a quick one. Yeah, have a lovely day. Cheers, bye.